We will connect the Hunter to the PC via its cable, then we will connect the red dongle and also the headphones. We turn on the Hunter, we make sure that the 3 front lights are on. Let's start. Go to the folder where the driver is to extract it. Right-click and run as administrator. Now we go to the file where the software we will install is located. We also right-click and run as administrator. Windows Security will ask you if you want to run the program. You will tell it to run it anyway. You will give Windows permission and continue with the installation. Unfortunately, this message that the file is being deleted is a sign that the antivirus is messing up. As you can see, the Hunter is installed, but the icon is not displayed. Let's go to Windows Defender Antivirus. You don't have to disable the antivirus, you just have to configure it, and I'll teach you. We go to the protection history and check that all quarantine threats should be restored. We check that no threat remains unrestored. They cannot be deleted. The icon still doesn't appear because we need to restart. It must be restarted every time we configure the antivirus. We run the program again. Remember that to run the program you need to put on the headphones, the Hunter must be on and the dongle must be inserted. The message appears that the application will terminate because we didn't restart. So we'll restart. After restarting, the icon appears on the desktop with the Hunter's red target. We proceed to run the software again. Keep in mind the requirements explained above to run the program. If another antivirus threat reappears, we must continue with its configuration. We go back into the antivirus and go to the threat history. We look for any new threats to restore them. We always start from top to bottom in order of priority. After restoring the threats, we return to the desktop to run the program again. Importantly, we can see how the software is opening and searching for the port where the Hunter is located, which is a COM3 or COM4. When the software communicates with the COM3 or COM4 port, the program starts. Next, I will show you how to check that COM port where the Hunter is and if it is recognized by the PC. To check if the COM port on your PC is working and recognizes the Hunter, go to Control Panel, go to Device Manager and look for COM3 or COM4 as the COM port. If the COM3 or COM4 port does not appear on your PC, it means that the Hunter is not recognized and you will not be able to install the program. Thank you for your time, and I hope this video has helped you set up your Hunter. See you soon.